Understanding, Hammering Out a Deal, a guide to business negotiations. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that's often heard in business and negotiation contexts: hammering out a deal. This video is designed to help English language learners grasp the meaning and usage of this phrase. By the end, you'll be able to understand and use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. Hammering out a deal is a metaphorical expression used to describe the process of negotiating a deal or agreement with determination and persistence. The word hammering suggests the action of hitting something repeatedly with a hammer, which is symbolic of the effort and persistence often required in negotiations. The phrase as a whole conjures the image of two or more parties working diligently to resolve their differences and reach a mutual agreement. The origins of this phrase are rooted in blacksmithing, the craft of working with metal using tools like hammers to shape it. Just as a blacksmith hammers metal to form a desired shape, parties in a negotiation hammer out the terms of their agreement, shaping it through discussion and compromise until they've forged a deal that's acceptable to all involved. To help you understand how hammering out a deal is used, here are a few examples. In business, the two companies spent weeks hammering out a deal that would benefit both sides equally. In politics, diplomats are currently hammering out a deal to end the trade dispute. In everyday situations, we finally hammered out a deal with our contractor for the home renovation. 1. Understand the context. This phrase is mostly used in formal or semi-formal negotiations. It's important to understand the setting before using it. 2. Use it sparingly. Because it's a specific idiom, use it when discussing negotiations or agreements to ensure clarity. 3. Practice. Try using hammering out a deal in your own sentences related to negotiations to get comfortable with its usage. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of hammering out a deal. Remember, mastering a language involves learning not just words, but also the phrases and idioms that give it color and depth. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the opportunity arises. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more English in our next video.